Okay, symptom is that the hot water heater is dripping every time everybody's done showering and the washer and dryer have run. This tank, thermal expansion tank, and it's supposed to be empty, or close to empty, because it should have an air charge in it. There, he went for a ride. I don't think that tank was very empty. Anyway, not rocket science. Threads out. Put Teflon tape on your new one and put it on. They come pre-charged at, most of them look like they're pre-charged at 40 psi. Should be good for real water. That was definitely my problem. Yay.